Should you install a dash cam in your teenager's car? I'm Benjamin Del Grosso, Safe Drive Solutions. We're the dash cam specialists in Mission, BC, Canada. Down below, we have plenty of links to learn more about dash cameras. Feel free to find them, click on them. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. We would be happy to answer them and help you out. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. So, should you install a dash camera into your teenager's car? So, young drivers aged between 16 and 20 are quite a large percentage of total drivers on the roads today. This poses a question to the parents of these young drivers worried about their safety. Does it make sense to install a dash cam in their teenage son or daughter's car? It's not a secret that dash cams become a necessity in today's world. In this video, we'll show you all the advantages and disadvantages of having a dash cam in your teenager's car. 1. Proof in case of an accident. First of all, a dash cam serves as a great tool for everyone, parents and teenagers alike, because of one important reason, and that is a dash cam provides objective evidence in case something happens. From hit and runs, insurance fraud attempts, and he said, she said situations, a dash cam has you covered. It's the same for teenage drivers. Thanks to the dash cam footage, you can easily assess the situation at hand. See who was at fault. If it was your child, you can use it as a learning experience. If it was the other party's fault, you can be sure your kid won't take the blame. Dash cams, low key and easy to install. The installation of a dash cam is pretty straightforward. In case of dash cams, you can either simply plug them into a cigarette lighter socket, or you can hardwire it for parking mode. This may involve having a professional installer do the parking mode portion. Parking mode is a very useful feature. It allows the dash cam to record even when the engine is off, when the car is parked. Dash cams are usually invisible to the driver, tucked away behind the rearview mirror. Most dash cams come without a screen, which may seem like a disadvantage, but the truth is, thanks to the Wi-Fi connection, you can check the footage instantly via your phone, so the screen isn't really necessary. Instead, you get a stealthy design of the dash cam. Thanks to the shape, size, and color, it's barely visible from the outside. This is a good deterrent to potential thieves. Safety. According to many studies, 1 in 5 drivers aged 16 to 18 have been in a crash or near miss within the past year. Most of these crashes were caused by inexperience and distraction. Dash cams help the parents monitor their kids' driving habits and ensure that they're safe on the road. Just by simply being installed in a car, a dash cam makes a person driver less carelessly and more aware of their surroundings. Drivers that use dash cams typically feel safer, have fewer accidents, and are less likely to be distracted while driving since they are more aware of their surroundings. For parents with teenagers, a dash cam is imperative for safety and peace of mind. Moreover, dash cams make it easier to keep track of all the places a teenager driver goes. Privacy concerns. We can't forget that privacy is a big issue for teenagers. While some may be understanding of their parents wanting to install a dash cam in the car, some may take it as a way of exercising additional control over them. The best solution to solve this problem may be a conversation. We recommend simply talking to your children about the necessity of a dash cam. You can set certain boundaries that will help you both enforce the rules and show that you trust your kid. For example, you may opt to disable audio recording. This can be done in most dash cam settings menus. In conclusion, your teenager getting their very own driver's license and car are one of the many steps to getting ready for the teen leaving the nest and gain more autonomy over their choices. A dash cam gives you peace of mind to know that your teen is safe as they get used to the responsibilities of driving on their own and having a car in their possession. With so many models to choose from, it can be hard to determine which dashcam would be able to fit your needs. Thank you for listening. If you have any comments, leave them down below. We'd love to answer your questions, and we're always here to help.